Televidente, bom-vindo a outra edição de Time Out. Agora em Time Out, nós temos junto conosco o treinador de seleção de duet que está preparando para o Pan-Americano com miras para o Olímpico. Nós estamos referindo a Eaton, que na América já é coach de Anouk, por agora que é bezig de coach Anouk e Kira à la vez. Nós temos um Time Out. Quando eu que nós vem back, nós estamos conversando com Eaton. Televidente, danke por estar conosco. Nós estamos com Eaton, coach de seleção de synchro que está preparando para o Pan-Americano, mas com miras para o Olímpico. Lori, how far are we now? Where are we standing right now today with our synchro team?
Well,
the duet team, sorry.
The duet.
Yes.
Right now we're into training. We're starting our full-time training for the Pan American Games, the World Championships. And
what is full-time training?
That Anouk and Kira and I have committed to full-time training. That is our focus.
How long it is? How many hours per day?
Anywhere from 3 to 6 hours, 7 hours. Depends. It includes water, land, everything.
Everything. Yeah. Are you looking to their what they're eating?
Yes,
nutrition?
Everything.
Yes.
Nutrition, rest, flexibility, sports psychology, everything, all of it.
If I can remember, this is harder than the last time you were here for these girls, or for you were here with Anouk.
Yes.
A few years ago.
Yes.
You remember?
Mm-hmm.
So there's some growth.
Absolutely. Both, Kira and Anouk over the last 2 years have really, really grown. And so to take on this opportunity and this challenge to, try to qualify for the Olympic Games, it's exciting. They're definitely stepping up.
This is not your first pair or your first selection you are training. How do you compare these two girls with those you have done in the past, in the States?
In the States, Anouk and Kira, they've really grown and connected and clicked together. And for a duet, that's very important.
Yes.
It's just a different. They're different athletes than what you have in other countries in the United States and other athletes I've worked with, in the sense that they're very excited, they're very passionate.
I heard they are clicking in hardly everything right now.
Yes, it's very good. It's very promising. I'm happy. I'm very happy with where we're starting this training, and I'm very, very optimistic to how it's going to end.
A few years ago, I still remember they having problems with coming out of the water as high as possible.
Yeah.
Is that still a problem right now?
Well, you can always be higher.
Okay.
You can always get up higher.
They cannot float on the water.
No, it's improving. It's definitely improving, for sure. But you can't settle. When we're doing something as big and as grand as trying to qualify for the Olympics, there's always more to give, there's always more to get out, there's always more height to have.
Televidente, lá que nós vamos time out cortico, assim que nós vamos back, nós estamos conversando mais com Eaton. Televidente, danke por estar conosco. Nós estamos com Eaton, coach de seleção de duet, que está preparando para o Pan-Americano com miras de o Olímpico. How long have you been training these two girls?
These two girls in particular, it's been about...
1 year?
No, 2 years, 3 years?
3 years already?
Yeah, about 2.5.
2.5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Who and where and when did improve the most?
I think it's been a gradual increase.
As a duet?
Yes, as we've been going.
Okay.
At first, it was very rough, trying to get them to work together.
There was a difference in ages, there was a difference in preparation, everything. So
yes, everything. But now they're both understanding each other better. I'm understanding them better. And so the improvements are just happening at a really nice, fast pace.
Oh, that's nice to hear.
Yeah.
That's nice to hear because what I'm hearing, we calculate, if I hear the names of the countries that's going to participate in the Pan Am Games, we can be ranked number 5, number 6. Number 5, I think it's Colombia.
Yes.
Are we close to Colombia?
We're close. Yeah.
Yes. Where do we have to improve?
Speed, height,
How do you improve?
Techni-
How do you improve speed?
repetition, quickness, fast twitch muscle training, a lot of different drills and things in the water.
Are you doing this with them?
Absolutely.
Height.
Yes.
What do you with height? How do you improve that?
Endurance, just different drills, different techniques and different sets to do in the water to help build up their endurance, help strengthen their muscles, help be aware of their body alignment and body awareness.
Are they aware of how far they can go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We talk about it. I mean, it's not going to be easy for
No,
sure, but there's a real strong opportunity and chance that we can qualify. It's exciting. It's going to be a lot of work,
course.
but yeah.
You could be the first Aruban athletes that we're going to classify for the Olympic Games.
Yeah.
They could be the first one. Let's hope it. Let's hope
That's the plan.
Yes, and keep on improving. You still have 1 year to prepare them for the Olympic Games. So
Yes.
We're not afraid.
No.
We've seen improvement here on the island so much. We've seen improvement in those two, especially.
Yep.
when Anouk won the U.S. Nationals, that was something else.
Yeah.
And when you can ask Nicole this, she told me, Kira is gonna couple with Anouk. I told Nicole, Kira is so young. Kira has to upgrade herself in a little time, as fast as possible. And what I'm hearing, it's incredible.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
It's happening.
So, what you're telling me, they can reach much, much more farther.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. They're going to have to get very uncomfortable. They're going to have to.
They break already the comfort zone. I know that.
Yes. And to want to chase that feeling and know that when you're trying to do something that's that big and that grand, to go to the Olympic Games, to qualify for the Olympic Games, I mean, yeah, it's going to take more than what they've given before, and more discipline and more commitment and more focus. And they're willing, and I'm willing, and we have a great relationship between the three of us. There's a great amount of trust that happens, which is absolutely important.
Yes.
And that's how you get there.
What do you want to take? What do you want to reach with them in the Pan Am Games?
Right now, to have a good base performance. The routines that we are designing right now are very fast and very difficult. It's going to take several months to get them up to competition ready. However, we're going to swim them at Pan Ams. So it might be a little rough, but that's what needs to happen in order to go to the next competition, in order to ultimately be prepared for the Olympic qualifier, which is really what our main focus is.
Where should we be if you had the time 10 years ago to get these two girls together?
Oh gosh, 10 years ago, the two of them training this whole time? Oh, I mean, we could be top 15, top 12.
The world.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
We are now top 24.
No.
Still. Yeah,
We're going to be, yes.
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 They went to Azerbaijan. They came out something 2022, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yep.
let's hope it.
Yeah,
Let's
we
hope
will.
it. Televidente, minha dona minha opinião. Tu ela assim, escuta claro quanto tem que nos atetran, quanto trabalho a ser assim, quanto trabalho a ser assim, para poder sacar o máximo for the Kiro Kwanuk. Lori, I must congratulate you because we know each other a long time ago. Let's say for 5, 6, 7 years already.
Yeah.
And you've seen the improvement, and we've also seen the improvement, and we must thank you. Putting your time in these girls. We need it.
Yes,
Thank you very
I
much.
love it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.